Hello and welcome to this short video on Speedcrunch, a very powerful and free open source calculator for Windows and in fact all platforms I think, but I'm running Windows 11. Okay, you can see down here is the calculation area. So if you wanted to perform a calculation, you can type it from scratch and it actually shows you the result. Now it looks like that might be, if I press enter, might be sine 30 radians. So if I wanted to change the setting under settings, angle unit, I can change to degrees. And if I repeat the calculation, I can do that by double clicking on a previous one. You can see the predicted result here is 0.5 now, so I can press enter and it's in operating in degrees. Now there are a number of tabs I've got open here. They're under the view section. And you can have, formula book, constants, functions are the ones I've got open, and history. But if you like, what you can do, let's say the functions section, you can drag that tab across and slot it in there, or across to the left. You can do that with only one, I think. I'm not sure. Can we drag history? Yes, we can. We could move it up there and have a split pane sort of situation. So it's quite a versatile layout as far as customizing it goes. There are different functions, as I mentioned. If we were looking under functions here, which is this box, you can scroll through and perhaps look, or you can start typing. For example, G, C, D, and greatest common denominator. Divisor pops up. If I double click on that, I can enter it down here, and I can put in a couple of numbers. We separate things not by commas but with semicolons in Speedcrunch. So I can put in that, press enter, and the greatest common divisor of 20 and 35 is 5. If you don't want to have to use the computer keypad, you can go under view and the top option, keypad, and you have a mini keypad here. For example, if I press square root, the square root sign actually puts in SQRT bracket, and you can press enter there and calculate that. Another setting I have, or I've played with, is under behavior. If you want to enable complex numbers, and for example, if I wanted the real part of a complex number, might be 2 plus 3, and we use J rather than I in Speedcrunch, and the real part of that is 2, obviously. So if you're struggling to get that working, it might be because you didn't have it in settings behavior enabled, and you mightn't have used J for the unreal part, the complex part. Okay, there's lots more I could obviously show you, but it's probably best left to you to have a look. But there are lots of things under here in the constants or in the formula book. You can scroll through and look at under a circle and find a whole lot of formulae there. So it's a very powerful, comprehensive calculator. Certainly superior to the Windows one. I'll leave it at that. As always, thanks for watching.